going on, everybody? Today I'm gonna be try to install my 12-inch live scope portable, and I got this box from Harbor Freight. So I'm gonna cram everything in here. So what I did, I already started it. Cut the paper. This is just, it came with the kit. So I'm gonna put the screen in the lid itself to make everything fit in here. So this is what I did. Trace a line with the razor blade, and then I'm gonna tape this one. Get everything center, tape it, and just run a marker on it. That way I know where to cut. I got it taped up. And then those holes, I gotta center punch it before I take the paper off. Well, I got the lines, and center punch the hole. You gotta be careful trying to get the tape off. In case I mess up on the cut, then it's gonna be $60, well, $65 what I paid for. It's $59.99, tax and all. They don't have the black one, so I have to set it with this beige or whatever army color. It's not that bad. Let me get the tape off. All right, I got the tape off. I wanted to save the template. So that's what it looks like. All I gotta do is cut the outside lines and then test fit it. If don't fit it, I'll just sand a little bit at a time. And that's where I center punch it. And this is what I'm gonna cut it with. I gotta change the blade off. That one's dull already. It ain't gonna cut, I don't think. Well, I got it cut out. They are pretty thick. It's like almost a 1/4 inch. Now I gotta clean them up, test fit it. See, I tried to sand it. It won't turn into a dust. It just melted. So what I gotta do is I'm gonna clean up with the blade, razor blade, because it's already fit perfectly. Well, that's what it's gonna look like. It fit perfectly. Looking for the screw for that for like half an hour. Come to find out, this comes off, and that is the screw hole for the flush mount. And this is what I use, plastic. Just get it in, try to get it in there. I can't do it with one hand. So that's how I got it out. Good thing I didn't drill the pilot hole first. All I did was just put the screw in there and self-tap it in there. So now I just got to put the cap back. Well, the screen is done. I think I'm happy with it. Covers fit perfectly. This is the inside. I think in the future I'm gonna change the screw out to put a washer on it. It's good for now. I just gotta next mount the black box, battery. All right, I got the black box mounted. What I did, I just used is plywood, 18 to 12. I got the battery adapter, so I can put my 18 volt 12 amp hour, I'm sorry. Well, it looks like I got it all figured out. I have to turn this other way because this black box was wedging on this plug. So when I turn the boards around, everything fit right in. So now I just got to test for the voltage, how much is coming out here. It needs to be 12, a little bit over 12 volts from 18. I got power. It's just a test. I still gotta put a switch off and on. This is just a wire straight up. It's working. As for my transducer mount, it's just a aluminum pipe with a quick connect right there, so I can extend whatever length I want. It's got a little bit of flexibility. It's small flex. I think it'd be all right. Well, that's the setup, guys. It's all done. Only thing that I need make some small adjustment. I gotta get these different because it's too big for the box. Right now I just got the wire disconnected just for now, but I already tested, it's all worked. And then in the future I gotta cut a hole to put like a 12 volt fan, computer fan, and then notch some kind of slot right there so I can close the lid, and then the cable would just stick out. I'm only using just one transducer because it's a portable. If I need to take it and put it in my bass, I can do it. So this is what it looks like. Let me turn it on. All right, I got this off. Let me turn this on. I got my baby with me. Granddaughter just came. Turn it on. One is for the black box and one is for the screen. And I'm using 18 volt my chainsaw battery, and for now it's still good. 12 amp hour, and I had to buy that power drop, whatever they call it, from 18 to 12. So I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna use this chair for now, and in the future I'm gonna build a mounting plate right there. Look like it's pretty sturdy enough for me to build, and then sandwich some kind of plate on it. So right there is the mount, and yes, baby. Let me go down to show you. Stay up there, baby, okay? So these are the only piece that comes out on this boat, and it goes in that case box. The rest of this rod stays here, so I kind of lean it on here just to get a little bit of a stiffness when I'm on trolling, but it still has some kind of play. I'm happy with it. So if I wanted it lower, I could just add one more. I got plenty of these. That looks like it's right on that water line. So agree. Yeah, I took it out and used it a couple times already. I really liked it, but the only thing I got to work on is trying to identify which kind of fish and how far, because I'm into the crappies. So this is what I got set up for portable. I bought this. I wish I could have had black, but I bought it at Harbor Freight. It's a Apache 4800 case. Look at my granddaughter. She's into it. Throw it down, baby. Is it tangle? Yeah, Grandpa fix it. Hold on. Well, that's all I got. I hope you guys like it. Like I said, I gotta add a vent because it feels like it's getting hot because I got it closed. So I gotta add a vent and a computer fan in here. And then I gotta figure out some kind of a room when I close it. This is the only cable that's bent up, but it's got some play on it. I don't think it's gonna be too bad, but it's good for now. The battery lasts about 6 hours, 7 hours, even though it's 12 hours. So I hope you like it. You know, please like and subscribe for future content or more videos. Peace out.